guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I want to take some permanent Cricut vinyl that is textured and metallic and apply it to a pumpkin to give it a very high-end look, okay? And I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a decorate with me, I think in my entryway. Okay, so I have Design Space loaded here on my canvas. I'm going to go to the circle with the plus for a new project. That will put us on our canvas, okay? What I want to do is go to images over here on the left-hand side and click on that. And then search all images. I'm going to type in monogram. Okay, and then I'm just going to look down through here. They have tons that I think would be really pretty. There's several that I started to do. I started to do this one, but then I was like, because I saw some things on Etsy and I thought they were really pretty. I started to do something like this, but I just really wanted to stick with what was similar to what I saw. I think these would be pretty as well. So I'm just going to go back to this search box and type in R monogram, and then it should weed it out and I should be able to find it much easier. Okay, this is the one I want to use, just this plain simple one. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to put a green box around it. And I'm going to go to Insert Images, right bottom corner, and that will put it on our canvas, okay? Now, what I want to do is I want to change this in the height. So I'm going to make sure I've clicked on it. I'm going to go out from size to that little lock, unlock it. And then for the width, I want it to be 6.5 wide. And the height, I want it to be 7.0 and then lock it back. I have a very large pumpkin, all right? Then I'm going to go over here on the left side to text, click on that. Then I'm going to click on this underneath font. There's a little upside down triangle. You click on that. And I'm just going to search on all. You can either do system or what's on your Cricut or all. I'm going to keep mine on all. And I think I want to do Apple MY. Let me just type in let me type in Apple and see if I can find it faster there. Here it is. AppleMyungjo. And I'll put it in the description box below, the one I use, but you can use whatever you want. And I'm just going to type in our last name, all caps. Okay. And I think that is cute. Then I'm going to put it in here. And I want to make mine, I'm going to go up from size at that little lock again. I want to make my name 5.05 wide. And I want to make it 0.997 tall and lock that back. So now we're going to go to make it right top corner. And we're going to use 2 mats. So I'm going to go to continue, right bottom corner. My Cricut is set to custom. Okay, and I have the permanent glossy textured metallic. So let's just look, browse all materials. Oh, here I have it, premium vinyl textured metallic, okay? So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to leave my pressure alone. And then the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this really cute way to upscale a pumpkin for fall. Okay, here's this really big pumpkin I have. I've had this for years. Picked it up at Michael's when it was on sale, and I'm going to be using it. And then this is my Cricut premium vinyl textured metallic. It came in a silver and then this gold color. It's hard to show it. And then like a bronze color right here. It's hard to see the difference. Now you will need some transfer tape. I just have this clear transparent paper from the Dollar Tree because I'm out. It's just like shelving paper. So I don't know how well that's going to work, okay? So I'm just going to put this down right like this on my light grit mat. You don't mirror it because you're using transfer tape. And then I'm going to put it in my Cricut, insert it with the blinking arrow, and cut with the blinking C. I hope this transfer tape, what I'm going to use for transfer tape, works. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, it's finished with that one. I'm going to eject it. And then I'm going to put this other piece down here. And we'll insert it and it will cut out the other part. Now while that's cutting out, I'm going to go ahead and weed this. And I love that Dollar Tree weeder. And I'm just pulling away everything I do not want. Then we'll eject this one. I think this is going to give us a very high-end look. I think that is really pretty. It has such a glare on it, okay? But I love that texture. So there's that part. Then we're going to do the same thing here. This is a really quick little way to transform and upscale a pumpkin. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put this on my pumpkin. I hope this works. Okay, let's see. It's not as stiff as the other, but the main thing is that it will pick it up. Okay, I'm gonna get my little scraper tool. Okay, I'm gonna turn it over and scrape the back of it. I don't know if this is going to be strong enough, but it looks like it is working. This would be a lot cheaper to use this kind of transfer tape. A lot of you have told me you use it. Oh, wonderful. Okay. Now I'm going to put this down and I'm going to put these two paint rollers under here. I'm hoping I'm going to get this straight. Just going to set this right on here. Might do well with my finger. This does leave a little bit of a glue-like substance on your decal. I've noticed that. But it does work. I think that's very pretty. I'm not fond of that glue look. Okay, that's what we're getting so far, all right? So now I'm going to take this and apply it. This works, but I don't care for the glue that it's leaving in places. I mean, it's not bad. It's not a deal breaker, but okay, then we have this. It's so hard to see really well too because that's what I'm going to do. Okay, let's take a look at it. I really do think this turned out really cute. It looks so high-end. I know it's probably hard for you to see it with all that shine. Like I said, I really am not that fond of some of the little, like right here, it has a little bit of that glue from the transfer paper. But all in all, it worked really well. But I think it is so cute. It's a wonderful way to upscale a pumpkin. So let me go show you what this looks like sitting somewhere in my house. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but we'll take a look at it. Okay, for now I have it sitting right here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put it outside on my porch, but I'll give you an up-close look. I think it is so cute. I love it. It just gives it such a high-end look, and it was very easy to do, even with those ribs on the pumpkin. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So, until next time, bye guys.